In this video, I will show with you how to set stop loss in XTB platform. So friends, all you have to do, choose any chart you want to set as your stop loss. For example, this chart USD or Euro. For example, in this case, you have a real account. When you click any chart, open on the down here setting, click on the setting on the down, and then you have volume, you have stop loss, choose the stop loss, and then, for example, you want to buy, choose the buy option and then set your stop loss here. This is sell and this is buy. This is Euro and USD option. Choose your stop loss from here. You find this option on the down here, stop loss, as you can see here, guys. When you set up your options, click apply. This one, this is a take profit, and this is your stop loss. Click apply. So guys, from the down you can set your stop loss. This is your bearish stop loss. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see another video soon. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching.